Hi gang, it's Bruce Pate with Corteva. I'm in Bracken. It's pretty wet out here. They got an inch of rain yesterday, so they're sitting in good shape. It's May 22nd, and this field was seeded April 24th, and it's growing pretty fast. So this is just to help you out with your staging of crop. This is your coleoptile tiller, so you don't really count that. You just count the leaves on the main stem. So you got your first leaf here, second leaf, third leaf, and this is the emergence of the fourth leaf. So, and then this is a little tiller coming out of that first leaf. So we're at 4 leaf already, and well, once this one gets past half of the third, then it'll be considered fourth leaf. So another day should be good to go. So you can spray it with Tridum, and that'll clean up all your grassy weeds, your group 1 resistant wild oats, your Japanese brome, and then it does a great job on your tough to kill broadleaf weeds like narrowleaf hawksbeard, Canada thistle, Russian thistle, and kochia. And yeah, so good luck out there and have fun. Cheers.